Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me and I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. As you can tell by my hair, this is a hair video. Okay, 10 years. OGX. This is the brand that I always wanted to try, and then like last year I ended up trying their shampoo and stuff, and it's because like they're like $8.99, around $8.99. And I usually don't buy stuff for my hair. I usually go to the salon to just, wash my hair and dry my hair and do the whole wash and set. But lately I've been doing it myself, especially after COVID. So your girl got this in the mail. This is from Influencer, by the way. I did get this to review, and I just want to share my thoughts and opinions. If you're not into stuff that, people get sent and they share their honest thoughts and opinions, then don't watch the rest of this video, because I'm just going to be talking about this all through the video. So my boss kind of got beat up through transit. Like, look at it, it's beat up. But I've been using this for the past month. So basically I wash my hair twice after, I wash my hair every 2 weeks. Yeah, every 2 weeks. I wash my hair every 2 weeks, and I double wash it after I have braids in my hair, which you guys already knew I had braids in my hair. So I double washed it, and this is the second time I washed it. So I used the shampoo already, and then I put the mask inside. So the mask is setting right now before I wash it and condition it, and then rinse it again, and then put the oil. But let me just stop talking and let me open this bad boy up. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like right here. You have the card that tells you that it's celebrating 10 years of service, and you have the shampoo and the conditioner, and then you have this big beautiful box, which is the oil, and then you have the mask right there. So they have tons of line in their shampoo and conditioners and their hair mask and everything. This brand is sold at Ulta. This is retails for $8.99. This is the Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo, hydrate and repair. This repair dry damaged bristles. This extra power formula with argan oil and Morocco and silk proteins help to intense, hydrate, and lock in moisture to give hair a second chance at silky perfection. If you've seen my hair up in a bun, my hair was soft. My hair was hella soft, not dry at all. This helped with that, especially after braids. My hair gets super duper dry, and this and the oil, it helped with that. Okay, I have oily combination skin, but my hair is hella dry, and now it's normalish because of this. It's normalish. So that's why I'm surprised about this. Why you want it? The potent blend with argan of oil of Morocco plus silk proteins help to repair even the most severe dry damaged strands. So true. So it has strengthened. It says extra strengthened. Has strengthened my hair, because when I combed it out, I did not have a lot of hair coming out. Because if you get your hair braided and you get weaves and stuff, you guys know that if you keep it in for a very long time, all the dead hair is in there. So it's a lot could come out. A lot could come out. And with this, a little bit comes out, and I really appreciate that. So this is the mask I was talking about. This retails for $6.79 at Rite Aid, and at Ulta they only have the travel size, so it's only $3.99. But yeah, this right here, oh my gosh, I have it on my hair right now, and you could see the hydrate. You can see the hydrate. You can see what it's doing. It's doing its job, and I love it. This is the hydrate and repair argan oil, extra strength. This is the mask. This is the potent blends of fused. Yep, it's all the same thing because it's the same line. Let me open it and smell it. Yes. all of the products in this line has the same smell. This one is more potent. This is what it looks like. As you can tell, I've really dug into it and I really used it. It has like a perfume, citrus, but also like cocoa beanie type of scent, but perfumed. And I like it. I like it. It smells like hair products. It smells like hair products. If you know what I mean, like you go to the salon and it's like that hair product smell, that's what it smells like. Okay, this is what my hair looks like after washing out that mask, and then this is what came out when I combed it. So again, I told you only a little bit comes out and I love that. And now I'm gonna use the conditioner, and then I'm going to do a whole lot of twisting. I just realized that I'm gonna do a lot of braiding. Wow. Okay, the last product I want to talk to you about is the oil. This is the Renew Plus Argan Oil of Morocco. Penetrating oil, a unique pressure blend infused with argan oil of Morocco. Instantly help penetrate the hair, restoring shine, softness, and while strengthening soft, silky perfection. I put some in my hair today, but usually when I use this, I put it in with when I'm flying my hair so it could be nice and silky, or just like in that bun, because it made my hair hella soft. After that, like 1/2 a week, when it's about time that I have to, wash my hair again, put this in, hella soft, and it smells like really good. It smells like hair products. They all smell like hair products. They are hair products. It smells like oils, but also perfumey. That's what it looks like. And you could see with just a little bit that I put in my hair that it gives hydration to it, like right in the part. It comes in a box like this. It, again, damaged, beat up. And besides the mask, everything you get at Ulta full size. This retails for $8.99, just like this shampoo and conditioner. To be honest, if you get the mask, you really don't need the conditioner. So I would get the shampoo, the mask, and this if you want some hydration, some repairing, and just beautiful, soft, beautiful hair type of products. That's what this gives you. 10 years of hydration and shine. Congratulations. Thank you for letting me be a part of this. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I just wanted to pop on here, show you what I got, and tell you my thoughts and opinions on these beautiful hair products. This is not usually a hair channel. It's more makeup, skincare, but hair is beauty too, so why not? I'm not really into the hair part of me. That's the reason why I got straight weave. And during COVID, there's lockdown, and then also I got braids because this is all I do is braid into a bun, or braid just braids, or if I feel up to it and not lazy, I actually flower my hair. That's like once in a blue moon. So yeah. Anyways, bye you guys, and don't forget to hit that like button if you like this content and you want to see more. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and thank you for watching this video.